Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss or I share about air conditioning, how it's work, and some troubleshooting. I pray and I hope that everyone is in good health, uh, and I believe that God is in control. Yesterday, guys, I received my first dose of vaccine, but the second dose, there is no definite schedule. Anyway, I'm thankful that I received my first dose of vaccine because it is helpful, especially this time of pandemic. Before I proceed, guys, uh, for my topic, someone come and tell me if I am capable or qualified to discuss these things. It sounds good to me. Well, first of all, I graduated uh, from 2 years technical course. Uh, I have been working since 1990 in this field of air conditioning. I work some country like Taiwan and Brunei, much more here in Saudi Arabia. For this reason, guys, I believe that I'm also qualified to discuss these things because I will not go further beyond the limit of my knowledge. Okay? As far as I know, Mr. Willis Carrier is the first one who invented the air conditioning for household use. But before that guy, long time ago, BC, the ancient Egyptian, they have an idea how to keep cold themselves during summertime. They used to soak the mats and hang it over their door or windows and let the sun evaporate. Thus, help to cold the room. This same principle, this same principle, guys, will use in the air conditioning. Now I have a simple drawing for the air conditioning. How it's work? Okay, let us take a look. Okay, guys, this is a block diagram, as you can see, and this is a schematic diagram. Okay, this is a reciprocating compressor, but sometimes this is a rotary compressor. It is a rotary or reciprocating, but the main purpose of the compressor is to compressorize or pressurize the refrigerant inside the compressor. Now, let assume let us assume that this compressor is in on position. So we start here. So we can read here a high pressure vapor refrigerant will come here. Then it will travel here through this pipe. Then will enter the condenser uh, coil. Then from here, the high pressure vapor refrigerant will convert to liquid vapor refrigerant by means of condensation. The hot air, the hot inside the condenser will throw out by fan motor. So now we have a liquid air vapor refrigerant. Then it will pass through the filter dryer. Now the filter dryer The work of the filter dryer is to absorb the moisture and block the small particle in the system to prevent or to keep the compressor from being damaged. Okay, now our liquid is passing the dryer and then enter the capillary coil or tube. Now the main work of the capillary is to restrict or to control the refrigerant coming or going to the evaporator. Now we focus here. Now our liquid vapor refrigerant is in here. Now from here, our liquid vapor refrigerant will convert to low pressure vapor. This evaporator will absorb the hot inside the room, leaving the cold by fan motor. Fan evaporator motor. This is the one. Now our low pressure vapor refrigerant will passing here and then coming here and then come back to the compressor. This is the compressor, and it repeating over and over again. Okay guys, now let us see our schematic diagram. As you can see, this schematic diagram, this is our fan motor, this one. This is a high, medium, low, same, this one. And this is our compressor. Now, this is single motor and compressor. Now, we can see the capacitor between running and starting. And same time, the compressor, there is a capacitor between running and starting. Now, guys, let us talk about simple problem that we can encounter. Supposed to be this compressor and the fan is not running completely. Okay, we will see this one. Completely, the window unit was not did not running at all. Okay, so what is the possible cause if the unit will not running at all? So first we will go to our schematic diagram. As you can see here, this is our line 1, line 2. Supposed to be this is hot and this is hot. Now this is from selector switch. Now we will check if there is coming voltage this line 1 and line 2. Okay, so if there is no if there is no voltage, we use our multimeter, check here. If there is no voltage, so it means the fuse open. Otherwise, if there is voltage here, okay, if there is voltage here, so it means this kind of schematic diagram, the window unit is using sometimes dual capacitor, one for motor and one for the compressor. So okay, so the possible cause, if there is power, the possible cause is the capacitor defective, or otherwise our line. But if there is if there is half power, so it means the possible cause the capacitor of a dual capacitor. Okay, that is the possible cause, but there is some also possible cause. Now we will see if supposed to be our fan motor is running, then our compressor is not running. What is the possible cause? So we will not check the voltage because the motor is already running normal, so we focus to the compressor. So as you can see here, the line the line of the compressor will come, will going to the thermostat. Then after the overload, maybe some of this one open. That's why the compressor will not running. Otherwise, also the capacitor is also defective. That is one reason that the compressor will not run. How about the compressor run and the motor will not run? What is the possible cause? So the possible cause, we will go direct to the motor. So the possible cause, maybe this capacitor defective, or the line, this coil is open. Same in the compressor, and maybe the motor itself is stuck up. That's why did not running. That is some possible cause. Now, how about the compressor? This one is running, then afterwards stop, then again run. What is the possible cause? So now we will back to our block diagram. As you can see here, I can see here if this filter choke or this capillary choke, so our compressor more getting hot and high pressure and stop. So possible cause, this one choke or capillary choke, or the condenser coil is already clogged up. That is some reason why the compressor will not run. Okay, guys, that is only some, no, but many more cause that the compressor will not run continuous. How about our evaporator is this side is catching ice? What is the possible cause? Possible cause, guys? Maybe this one is dirty. The air will not come out, clog up. This is one of the possible cause, dirty, or our refrigerant is not enough. That is also the reason that the I mean the unit cuts the evaporator cuts ice. Okay, guys, that's only some. Okay. Okay, guys, for uh, for goodbye for now, and see you my next vlog or topic. By the way, guys, I asking apologize uh, because a day before someone come to me and he said that he could not understand the way I speak. Uh, I, you know, I try. Uh, Maybe you think I am trying hard. Yes, because my friends is international. Some from India, some from Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Vietnam, and some part of Europe, and also in America or USA. I use sometimes my English. I use slang English or slanting either. So please understand and good luck, guy, and be God bless. Thank you, and please, if you wish, subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys.